Yes, I'm Thomas Jansen. I'm Associate Professor for Chinese Studies at the University of Wales Trinity St David, and I'm the Director of the Confucius Institute. Well, a day like this is extremely important because a lot of organizations in Wales are concerned with China, work with China, and it's really important to bring all the different bits together to have a concerted approach in our engagement with China rather than all fending for ourselves. Our Confucius Institute specializes in Chinese heritage studies, so there's a lot of potential of working with the Royal Commission in Wales, building preservation, looking at the industrial heritage in China and in Wales, comparing the industrial heritage, looking at the historical connections between Wales and China, the missionaries that have gone out to Wales, from Wales to China in the past, in areas like that. Yes, I do think there is a need because, as I said, a lot is going on in relation to China, but sometimes it's a little bit disconnected. People are working in isolation, and I think much can be gained if we pool our resources, if we pool our expertise, and we put projects together with different experts from Wales. I think it's very necessary.